everyone, welcome to my channel. I am explaining about class 9 CBSE maths and other classes from class 5 to class 10. And about maths, any doubt you people have, please subscribe my channel and have a like button. Explaining about class 9 maths central board course chapter 2 polynomials. In this chapter you have to study the following topics: define polynomials, first, second, terms and degrees of polynomials, third, some more polynomials such as zero polynomial, unique polynomials, fourth point, two types of theorem with the definition and examples, remainder theorem, factor theorem. Fifth, different types of algebraic identities with examples. Chapter you have to study the following points: defining the polynomial. First point, a polynomial p of x is one variable x in an algebraic expression is the x of the form, that is p of x a n x x to the power n plus a n x minus x to the power n minus 1 and so on up to a0, where a0, a1, a2 up to an are the constants and a is not equal to 0. So a0, a1, a2 are an respectively the coefficients of and x0, x1, x2, x power n, where n is called the degree of the polynomial. Each of a(n)x x to the power n, a(n)x1 x to the power n, n minus 1 up to a0, where an is not equal to 0, is called the term of polynomial p of x. This was the definition of polynomial. Next one, a polynomial of one term is called monomial, a polynomial of two term is called binomial, a polynomial of three term is called trinomial, a polynomial of degree 2 is called the quadratic polynomial, a polynomial of 1 degree is called the linear polynomial, a polynomial of 3 degrees is called the cubic polynomial. These are up to the polynomials. We come to the remainder theorem and factor theorem definitions, where the remainder theorem means if p of x is any polynomial of a degree greater than or equal to 1 and p of x is divided by the linear polynomial, then x minus a is the remainder of p of a. Again, the factor theorem, x minus a is the factor of polynomial p of x. If p of a is equal to 0, also x minus a is the factor of p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. Now in the next term we will explain about the identity.